Alright, of course there's a plane flying right over me right now. But good morning, everyone. It is currently about 6, a little after 6 in the morning. Just woke up, the sun's up, planes are out apparently. And I'm walking over to the bus stop, which will take me to the train. And I'm heading home. If you're new here, subscribe, like the video, you know the deal. But today we're going to talk about getting up early. So I had to get up like 5 in the morning today for leaving to my train. And a lot of people are always like, how the hell do you wake up so early? That shit is like, I don't know, it's hard. The bed's so comfortable. And you're right, because a lot of the times I don't want to wake up that early either. Or sometimes I do like waking up early just for the fun of it, but for the most part, nobody likes waking up early. It's hard. The bed is very soft and it's just nice and easy. Lets you want to go right back to sleep. But waking up early, it's a cheat code, man. Sorry, I'm gonna be like really sweaty once I get there because I'm holding this big ass bag, got my backpack on, and I'm walking like 10 minutes down to the bus stop, and it's like 75 out, which is still crazy that it's getting so hot. It was like 90 degrees the other day, 95. But yeah, waking up early, that's just a cheat code. You can get so much stuff done. It feels like some of the days that I wake up early and I like go to the gym right in first thing in the morning, and then like I read, journal, all like before 10 in the morning. I eat breakfast. It feels like I lived through like 2 days before some people even wake up, which is really great. People biking. I probably should have biked, but then I would have left my bike out here for like 2 weeks. I don't know if I trust that. And yeah, hopefully I get to post this video so I don't miss an upload, because me posting this video kind of depends on whether or not I have any Wi-Fi on the train. So let's pray for the best. But yeah, waking up early, literally just get out of bed. There's the hack. Sorry it took so long to get to that, but if you're still watching, if you need to wake up early, literally just flop out of bed, like roll out of bed. Once you're out of there, up and moving around, walking around, you know, go to the bathroom, take your piss, then you're more awake. Obviously, you could very easily just lie back down in bed and go back to bed. But getting up, that's the first part. If you can just get up, you'll see how much easier it is to wake up early. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.